Welcome to our deep dive into acne treatment. Today, we'll explore the importance of choosing the right cleanser and how it can impact your skin health. First up, we have the Minimalist cleanser. It's formulated with salicylic acid, a key ingredient known for its acne-fighting properties. Let's break down its formulation. Now, let's turn our attention to Cetaphil. This cleanser is favored for its gentle formula, featuring ingredients like glycerin and chamomile, ideal for sensitive skin. In comparing these two, we'll look closely at the key ingredients in both cleansers. Salicylic acid versus glycerin. How do they fare in acne treatment? User experiences vary widely. We're focusing on application, texture, and the immediate results from both products. How do they feel on the skin? What about long-term effects? Here are the results reported by users after consistent use of Minimalist and Cetaphil over several weeks. When it comes to skin type, which cleanser wins? We'll evaluate the compatibility of each cleanser for oily, dry, and combination skin types. We reached out to dermatologists for their insights on Minimalist and Cetaphil. Their opinions can guide us in making an informed choice. Price can often dictate our choices. Let's compare the price points of both products and assess their value for money. After weighing all factors, it's time for our final verdict. Which cleanser is the better option for acne treatment and why?